Hey everyone, Josh with JDS Sign Supply, and we are really excited to tell you about our new standoff collection. We are now offering LED standoffs, and we have two different types. So we have our solid color standoffs, as you can see here. We have our blue, red, green, and white, and these standoffs are just that color all the time. And right below that, we also have our color changing LEDs, which also come with a remote control that you can, if you want to zoom in there, Dave, you can see all the different colors. You can add some motion to it, as you can see right now, turn it on, off, change the brightness level. So there's a lot more versatility with that, but not all applications call for something like that. So let me show you a little bit about what the standoffs look like on the back side, and then we'll show you what comes with the in the box. So each one of these standoffs has a power supply. So it takes it from low voltage to standard 110. And all the standoffs plug into this other module here. So this is the LED, RGB LED, so the color changing one. So these prongs or inserts here are a little bit larger on this one. And the RGB color changing also comes with the eye, and that's what the remote reads the remote, so as you're changing the different features on the standoff. So the solid color LEDs have a very similar thing without the eye and obviously the remote, but these are really easy to mount. So let me show you what comes in the box, and we'll look at real quick at the standoff itself. So in the box, you're going to get, they come in a 4-pack, so you're going to get 4 LED standoffs. There's no wiring here that needs to be done whatsoever. They come just as you see it with the wiring going into the standoff. Second, you're going to have your power supply. Again, this is the RGB LED. So this is the 4. The solid colors have 6 ports in them, 3 on this side, 3 on that side. So that comes ready to go. You're also going to get your remote with the RGB, and then both of them are going to come with the mounting hardware. So this is for your standard sheetrock or gypsum walls. With these LEDs, something a little different. They act a little bit more like a side clamp. And so I'm going to show you how to mount this. So you're going to take your Allen key here, and there's going to be a post. It's going to come out of here. Oh, that one doesn't have a post. Use that for another display here. Should be a post that's going to fall out here. There you go. So that post, and you saw the little set screw that fell out of the other one, that's what's holding that post, or the standoff to the post. You're going to run your screw right down in there. You see where it sits relatively flushed. It's been recessed out, so it's not going to get in the way of the threaded stud in the top of the standoff, the cap. So this is what they look like on the inside. So all your LEDs, and you can kind of see here, you can see as you mount the clear acrylic with the LED going through the substrate, that's where it's getting its color. So it's really bright from the side, and it's meant to illuminate the sign, not illuminate into the room. Another feature that I want to show you, this can be mounted 2 different ways. So here you see, this is where the post goes, and you can also drill a separate hole for the wiring to go through the substrate, as you can see we did there. Or there's a little cutout in the side, so if you don't want to do that, you don't have the time to do that, you can run the wiring right out the side of the standoff, and then as you can see there, it would still sit flush to the substrate, so the cord's not going to hold it off of there. So you guys have asked for them. We're excited to offer them finally. Give us a call, the number below, or check us out online at JDSSignSupply.com. We'd be happy to talk through more installation or just the different options. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.